using these colors anyway in your space, so why not use it as decor? Well, paint can totally transform the space, and I wanted to give you this last tip because I have like a paint can graveyard down in my basement, and I decided that I wanted to organize because we've got some time these days, and so I wanted to show you this super easy tip because I think everybody is going to use it. I eat a lot of sauce, as you know, gravy. And so I have all these I have all these pasta jars, and so I'm using them to store my leftover paint. And it turns out that it looks so pretty too. So I've got a can here that was in my paint graveyard. So the number one thing you want to do when you do this is you want to make sure that you stir the paint really, really well, because you want to make sure that the color that you're storing is the actual color. So I'm just going to mix it up a little bit. And then I've got a jar right here that I'm going to pour it in. But check this out. To make a quick little funnel, I'm using just old sheets of paper. And then I'm going to make a funnel like this. Yes. Because we've got to like try to reuse what we've got as much as possible. I'm going to cut the top off here, and it just keeps it less messy because paint can be obviously very
really obviously.
I'm going to put that in there.
I think that's why people shy away from it, but it is the most affordable way to change the mood and the look of the environment.
Completely. I mean, it changes everything, and it's so affordable, and it's just like, it's about, you know, it's the elbow grease, you know what I mean? It's getting in there and doing it. So you just kind of pour it in there. I'm using the funnel. When you're done with your funnel, you just throw it away. That's what's good about it.
Sure.
So once you've got it in there, I've got one that I put some paint in already. And then what I'm going to do is label it so I know exactly what it is that I, you know, have in that jar. And what I think is so cool about this is when you've got the jar like sealed, it's going to keep it super fresh. And then if you ever have to do touch-ups and stuff, you don't have to go to your, you know, paint can graveyard. You can just go right to the jar.
Plus, it's attractive looking. It's a color of like a Pantone book, you know, it's really pretty.
Yeah, I think so too. And it also, like, you know, it just helps you kind of create, like, you're using these colors anyway in your space. So why not like use it as decor as well? So just put your label on it like that. And then check this out. I've got these that I have all the colors that I painted here in the kitchen. And I'm just going to put them up here on the shelf. And it's just like instant decor, you know?
It's background,
and you've got the label in the back.
Color.
Exactly. You've got to eat a lot of sauce, but you can do it.